Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about Alibaba and its cloud computing services and why it is up 15% today. I'm going to make this video short and sweet for you guys. So if you guys don't know what cloud computing is, it's basically the on-demand delivery of its resources through the internet with like pay-as-you-go pricing, and this basically eliminates the owning, use of maintaining physical data centers and servers, and this makes it that you can access technology services from a cloud provider online. So it just makes everything more easier and simpler for the company. So guys, with Alibaba, we can kind of see it was like on an uptrend, and then it did not break out of like this like 285, 290 mark, and it just went down, and it's been trading around like 270, 260 for the last like week or so. And then finally today, with this big news of the cloud computing, it's really big. As you guys can see, it jumped up 15% today, and normally this is very big for a company because Alibaba is the second largest cloud computing company by revenue in the Asia Pacific region, guys, but it is behind Amazon, Microsoft, and Alphabet's Google. So it is the biggest in China, but it sits behind those big powerhouse companies here in the United States, which isn't a bad thing, guys, at all. So guys, cloud computing is a very critical component for a company's future growth because the current chairman and CEO, Daniel Zhang, I may have pronounced that wrong, my bad, told CNBC in 2008 that the cloud computing would be Alibaba's main business in the future, which, as we can see, a lot of these giant companies have cloud computing and they are super successful with it, so I can see why this would be the main focus of their business. And guys, the Alibaba CEO said that cloud computing is the kind of opportunity that comes only once in a generation. And then the CFO, Wu, also said that its Canino logistics arm is expected to turn operating cash flow positive in the current fiscal year. So as we can see, there will be a positive return. They're hoping for the outcome. So guys, that's just kind of an update on Alibaba and kind of why it's just up today and what sparked its jump up for 15% today. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments. And if you guys are new to Robinhood, I always leave a link. If you do sign up using my link, you do get a free stock, and I'll also get a free stock. So it kind of works for the both of us, only if you are a new user. But until then, guys, I'll see you next time.